Welcome to the show how to hide application into your REALME Narzo 50 Pro. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into privacy option. Here go into privacy one more time and now choose hide apps. Now need to enter our privacy password. If you don't have this password, need set up first of all. And now here we got list of our application, and now need select what you wanna hide. Maybe for example calendar. Okay, need first of all set access code. Tap to settings. Now need give setup access code like this example. Maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and tap OK for save. Your setup access code, enter to access code and the DL path to access hidden apps. Tap done. Okay, select one more applications, maybe Facebook, and for example maybe Zoom. Okay, now to open our phone, go to our phone path, and now enter our privacy code here. And here now we open our hidden apps. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.